Introduction. Thanks for purchasing How to Level World of Warcraft Characters Fast. This guide teaches you how to level World of Warcraft characters using the most efficient method possible. This leveling guide targets players who have enough experience playing World of Warcraft to understand the basics of questing and running dungeons and battlegrounds. For newer players, I recommend that you brush up on the tutorials available on the World of Warcraft website and get some experience playing the game for a couple of weeks. Reality versus fluff. As with every other skill you develop in life, you get out what you put in. Leveling characters quickly and efficiently is hard work in a best-case scenario. It requires a lot of focus, a small amount of planning. If you follow the strategies outlined in this guide, you will be very pleased with the results.